beginning your journey in woodworking can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Small woodworking projects are an excellent way to hone your skills, build confidence, and create something practical or beautiful. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking project ideas you can make as a beginner woodworker you can use for your home and office. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Here are several project ideas that are perfect for beginner woodworkers. One of the simplest projects you can start with is a wooden birdhouse. This classic project introduces you to basic cuts, assembly, and finishing techniques. You can find plans online that provide dimensions and a materials list. Typically, you'll need just a few pieces of wood, a saw, some with screws, and wood glue. Once you have your birdhouse constructed, painting or staining it can add a personal touch. A small wooden planter box is another easy and useful project. It involves cutting pieces of wood to size, assembling them, and finishing them for outdoor use. You can design the planter to suit your style, from a simple rectangular box to a more decorative shape. This project teaches you how to work with different joints and can also serve as an opportunity to learn about treating wood for outdoor durability. If you're looking for something functional, consider making a wooden stool or bench. A simple design can be constructed using just a few boards and some basic joints. This project allows you to practice measuring, cutting, and sanding pieces. The bench can be built low for children or higher for adults, and you can customize the dimensions based on your space. Another excellent starter project is a cutting board. This project helps you work with various types of wood, as you can use hardwoods for durability and aesthetics. Cutting boards are functional and can be made in different shapes and sizes. In addition to being practical, they also make great gifts. You can burn designs into the wood or apply a food-safe finish to enhance its appearance. A small picture frame can be a creative way to practice miter cuts and assembly. You can choose the size based on your favorite photo. Building frames allows you to explore different wood types and finishes, and you can even combine pieces for a multi-frame display. Experimenting with paints and stains can help you learn how various finishes change the look of wood, making this a visually satisfying project. It can add charm to your garden and provide food for local wildlife. This project may involve more intricate cuts and assembly than a birdhouse, but is still manageable for beginners. You can create a simple platform-style feeder or a more elaborate design with a covered roof. This project helps reinforce your skills while giving you the reward of watching birds visit your feeder once it's completed. You might also consider making a simple bookshelf. While it may sound daunting, a basic design only requires a few shelves and side pieces. This project allows you to practice cutting, drilling, and assembling while creating a functional item for your home. You can customize the size to fit your space, making it a versatile project that adds value to your home. For those interested in decorative items, consider creating wooden coasters. This project involves cutting small squares or circles of wood, sanding them, and finishing them with a sealant or varnish. Coasters are easy to make and allow you to get creative with designs. Another fun project for beginners is a key holder or small wall-mounted shelf. This can be simple, involving the attachment of hooks to a flat piece of wood with a backing. Not only does it help keep your keys organized, but it also adds a decorative element to your entryway. This project teaches basic assembly and can be a beautiful addition to your home. Making a wooden toy is a wonderful way to combine woodworking with creativity. Simple shapes like blocks, cars, or animals can be crafted and finished, providing personalized gifts for children. Wooden toys can be made from scrap wood and often require minimal tools, making them ideal for beginners. They also offer an opportunity to learn about safe finishes if they will be used by young children. A small tool caddy is a practical woodworking project that helps you store your hand tools neatly. You can design a simple box or a more complex caddy with compartments and a handle. This project is great for practicing your measuring and joint-making skills while creating something useful to keep your workspace organized. Moreover, personalizing your caddy can help you become more invested in the woodworking process. Creating wooden signs is a delightful way to showcase your newfound skill in woodworking. You can use various techniques, from simple lettering to intricate carvings. Signs can be made for indoor decoration, such as family names or motivational quotes, or for outdoor use, such as garden markers. This project allows for a lot of creativity and personalization, making it deeply satisfying. If you have space considerations, consider building a small step stool. This project requires a bit more planning but provides an excellent opportunity to learn about stability and weight distribution. You can create a two-step design or a single step, providing a functional addition to your home. Furthermore, the stool can be painted or stained to match your decor. Enables you to practice more detailed work. You can design a simple box with a lid or something more intricate with organizers inside. This project allows you to explore precision with cuts and joinery, and it can be finished beautifully to serve as a decorative piece. Depending on the level of detail you wish to add, this project can be as simple or complex as you desire. Lastly, try your hand at creating a simple drawer organizer. This project helps you think practically about space and storage. By measuring your drawers, you can make organizers that fit perfectly, helping you keep items tidy. This project emphasizes precision while giving you a chance to reflect on how woodworking principles apply in everyday life. Each of these projects allows you to develop skills, understand the properties of different woods, and gain confidence. As you complete each one, you'll learn more about woodworking techniques, tools, and finishes. Over time, your skill level will increase, leading to larger and more complex projects. Enjoy the journey of woodworking. It's not just about the end product, but also the learning experience and satisfaction that comes with creating something with your own hands. Engaging in small projects helps you explore your creativity, and as your confidence grows, you may find yourself dreaming of larger creations in the future. Whether you gift these items or keep them, each project will serve as a testament to your growth as a woodworker. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.